Have you ever seen a single person going into that factory?
There must be people working there.
The only thing that comes out of that place is the candy.
Dear people of the world, I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children to visit my factory.
5 golden tickets have been hidden underneath the wrapping paper of 5 ordinary Wonka bars.
Wouldn't it be something to open a bar of candy and find a golden ticket?
Please enter.
Who are you? I'm Violet Beauregard.
I don't care.
It's gum. Yeah. It's a stick of the most amazing and sensational gum in the whole universe. Know why? Know why? Because this gum is a full 3-course dinner all by itself.
Sounds like my kind of gum. I'm the world record holder in chewing gum. I'm not afraid of anything.
How is it, honey?
It's amazing. Tomato soup. I can feel it running down my throat.
Yeah, spit it out.
It's changing. Roast beef with baked potato, crispy skin and butter.
Chewing, kiddo. My little girl's gonna be the first person in the world to have a chewing gum meal.
Yeah, I'm just a little concerned about the...
Blueberry pie and ice cream.
that part.
What's happening to her nose?
Turning blue.
Her whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet.
Well, I told you I hadn't quite got it right.
Happy day 3 of my Halloween series. This will be confusing all month, but that's on me in celebrating Halloween for an entire month on my channel. My high neck blue hoodie, I'm starting off with a base on my eyes. The next jumbo eye pencil and milk. Again, I'm using the Charlie and Chocolate Factory palette from Storybook Cosmetics and dipping into Augustus Swoop as my transition shade, alongside a fuchsia tone to put in the outer corner and my middle lid. And with a more intense purple, I'm blending that strictly onto my outer corner to add dimension, and in a short amount of time, I'm going to be carrying it below my lash line. But first, to cut the crease. Using a white concealer and a crease brush, I'm going to be going in about 1/4 of the way in and then blending it out both with my finger. 1/4 of the way in, that's what she said. It's never, anyways. Both with my finger. More of that pink that I placed on my lid prior. And placing a minimal amount of Charlie Bucket on the inner corner while the concealer is still a little bit tacky. You're tacky and I hate you. And then, as I said, I'm carrying it down for that symmetry that you guys know that I like. I'm adding a pink liner onto my waterline, even though those two colors do not look anything alike side by side. I swear they are. Mascara to finish off the eyes, and as for the body paint, I am using a couple different ones. To get a bit of a pink hue, I'm putting down a bubblegum pink first. Very fitting, right? Once again. And before it dries, I'm placing a berry pink over top and then letting them casually blend together. I didn't want to mix them together beforehand just because I wanted them to be a little bit spotty, I guess. I wasn't too worried about this being messy because this is just what I'm going to be starting out with, and it's actually just going to be blended out into a base anyways. Since they've been blended out and I have that ombre effect, I'm going even further with that and adding a mid-tone blue to the very center in the upper portion of my nose, going back and forth between blending that out and adding more. And finally, once that's dry, I'm going to be using that same blue and adding it basically along the edges of the purple and the pink for the added look of veins. As for my highlight, which is a weird concept to me as I never even use highlight unless it's for a Halloween tutorial, I'm using it on the tippy top of my nose and the bridge. Again, the bridge, like the bridge to Terabithia. There's a bridge to Terabithia joke in there somewhere. Next up, the wig. This is actually the same wig I used for my Harley Quinn tutorial, but I'm keeping it to its natural color for Violet. I was contemplating doing the roots purple, but honestly I opted out last minute. As for my lips, I'm going in with my Lips But Better color. And here's for some extras, because apparently I can't blow a bubble to properly save my life. I'm just gonna go out and say I did this entire voiceover. I did not have my headphones plugged in, so I basically didn't do it at all. But anyways, I digress.